Casa Diáfana, located in Mérida, Mexico, is a small-scale renovation that creates a large architectural impact. Designed by Taller Estilo Arquitectura, the project revives a traditional home, not by mimicking the past, but by giving it space to breathe. The original street-facing facade was preserved and restored, blending into the historic neighborhood. But as you step inside, a surprising transformation unfolds. The core of the home was restructured to bring in light. A double-height living space now forms the heart of the house, anchored by north-facing glass blocks that fill the interior with diffuse, cool daylight. This space connects directly to the kitchen and dining area, arranged in an open-plan layout that encourages fluid movement and social interaction. Two bedrooms, a service core, and a guest suite are positioned along a central axis, but privacy is achieved through subtle level changes and orientation, rather than solid barriers. Outside, the architecture opens up. An elliptical pool becomes both a focal point and a passive cooling element, its curved shape softening the geometry of the surrounding walls. The materials are minimal but honest. White stucco walls, polished concrete floors, and wooden detailing create a palette that feels grounded yet light. This renovation doesn't shout, it listens, to light, to air, to material, and memory. Casa Diáfana is a study in restraint, a house where space and light take the lead, and architecture simply clears the way.